Hello, my name is Karen King of New Thought Talks and Workshops. I've recorded a series of 12 meditations inspired by Charles Fillmore, who wrote The 12 Powers of Man. These Whitsett meditations were written by Reverend Linda Martella-Whitsett in her most recent book entitled Divine Audacity. Whitsett looks at what divine light is and how it is both audacious and normal to claim it for ourselves. She uses these 12 powers of Fillmore's in her meditations to offer a deep and authentic life outside of the structure of traditional religious categories. A refreshing approach, in essence, on how to be spiritual without being religious. If you are a subscriber to my YouTube channel, you will know that I am committed to bringing you meditations on mind-body healing from many New Thought sources, and I have made them available on YouTube and websites of affiliated New Thought centers. You can find these meditations and other mind-body healing playlists by going to Karen Sue King on YouTube.com. If you like what you see in this next 5 to 7 minutes, hit the subscribe button. The title of this online meditation is The Light of Faith. Calm your breath and focus your attention on the center of your forehead inward, at the side of the pineal gland located between the two hemispheres of your brain. Breathing in and breathing out, attention fixed. Bless this connecting link between the physical and the spiritual. Sensitive to the pulsing of life, the movement of energy. Shine the royal blue light of faith into the center of your brain. The spaces between the hemispheres are brushed blue. Broadcast blue light throughout your brain and down through your body. A healing, streaming royal blue signifying your consciousness of faith. Faith is your ability to see what cannot be seen humanly. Activate this spiritual power, courageously perceiving a greater truth than your physical senses report. I dare you to see what cannot be seen by human eyes, but exists as surely as the sun exists behind a cloud. Perceive the bottom line truths about life. That life is irrepressible, eternal, and perfect in every stage and form. Stretch your capacity to see the good that can be in troubling situations. Envision possibilities even in seemingly impossible circumstances. Devote yourself to perceiving the good that can be. Convince yourself that the nature of unseen good, the animating and harmonizing creative power behind all that you have and experience, is your nature. You are divine. You reach inward to your storehouse of faith to remain faithful during times when your human brain cannot envision the magnificent possibilities of wholeness, of life, harmonious love, and wealth beyond measure. Demonstrate conviction by living as love lives, as wholeness lives, as wisdom lives. Audaciously trust in universal goodness, so much so that you rest deeply in the peace of spiritual assurance. By your innate power of faith, you live in positive expectancy. You center your attention in joyous anticipation, knowing all is well, truly. Go in peace, loved one, knowing that you are God. You are the divine. You are spirit. Audaciously make that claim right now.